Hello, my friends. This is Shaban from Lonbest Educational Equipment Group. Today, it is my great honor to share some product knowledge of Lonbest Electronic. We are grateful that we got the opportunity to establish the product standard of e-writing Blackboard for China Educational Equipment Association. We are the leading launcher for this industry standard. Even I'm a sales, but for me, I try to use the simple words for the to explain some technical information behind this product and explain one reason why Lonbest LCD Blackboard is not cheap. I think the very important reason is this is new product. We spent more than 100 million Chinese yuan on the innovation of this product, and for the testing samples, it's more than thousands of sample electronic blackboard visited before or satisfied e-writing blackboard enter into the market. As the electronic blackboards, when the market volume is bigger, definitely its cost will be reduced sharply. For this one, we need the cooperation of our partners all over the world. We know the route copying from other manufacturers is much easier than what we did now. In China, the knowledge property protection is in very big challenge. Copying is always easier, but for the humankind, at least we need some person like us to do the meaningful things. Profit, the third, profit is important, but we also need to do some contribution to the improvement of electrical instrument or education technology products to protect the eyesight care, protect the health of children and teachers. Nextly, I will start the presentation today, which it is a meaningful and knowledgeable discussion between us. Thank you. Hello, my clients. This is Shaban from Lonbest Educational Equipment Group. Our product brand is Lonbest. From this screen, you will see our smart classroom solutions. In the middle is interactive flat panel. On both sides is Lonbest electronic blackboard. We also can call it LCD blackboard or LCD e-writing board. Our Lonbest LCD Blackboard is mainly used for writing. That is why many clients have one question: why one type of writing board is expensive? Actually, it is not just a blackboard. It also has more functions. For example, there's no any consumables, dustless inkless, no need any electricity, with eye protection function. It is also liquid crystal film technology, but long backlight LCD display technology. Different from the one in the middle. This one has the backlight. This technology named bistable liquid crystal or cholesteric liquid crystal. So there's later, the second one. This one can be used without power supply, named for the writing. It doesn't need any consumables. Different from interactive flat panel. The normal interactive flat panel, it uses the ordinary pneumatic liquid crystal. The third one, it realizes the paper-like writing experience. So it restore, how to say, it restore the writing experience, inheriting the writing experience of Chinese calligraphy. You can see here. It purely relying on physical pressure, different from the interactive flat panel. Interactive flat panel relied on infrared or capacitive layer. Also need the software, but our LCD Blackboard use different theory. The last one is liquid crystal module process is more complicated. At least it adopts 9 layers. Actually, the normal interactive flat panel has 7 layers. Later, I will show you. Here is the comparison between interactive flat panel and Lonbest electronic blackboard. You can see interactive flat panel has backlight. Lonbest electronic blackboard doesn't have. Interactive flat panel choose the glass panel. Electronic blackboard use PET panel. For electricity, when writing, Lonbest electronic blackboard don't need any electricity connection. For the Blu-ray, interactive flat panel has Blu-ray, but electronic blackboard doesn't have any Blu-ray. Screen splash. Interactive flat panel has screen splash, but Lonbest electronic don't have screen splash. For the handwriting restoration degree, interactive flat panel, it has the handwriting distortion, but Lonbest LCD Blackboard restored the real handwriting. The writing theory, interactive flat panel depends on infrared or the capacitive layer. How to write? Interactive flat panel need open the writing whiteboard software firstly, but Lonbest electronic blackboard just writing on the panel directly anytime. The main feature interactive flat panel has is the display. Lonbest LCD blackboard its main function is writing now. However, we are developing the second generation, which has the display function also. The multicolor display. Multicolor display is by polarizer for interactive flat panel. Right now, Lonbest electronic blackboard is single color writing, green color. But multicolor display is also designing now. For electromagnetic radiation, for interactive flat panel has high radiation, and the Lonbest electronic blackboard has no or even very little radiation. Eyesight care, interactive flat panel harm to the eyes. Lonbest electronic blackboard, no harm to the eyes. For the multi-point writing, it has the limitation for the people who write at the same time. Even you see 10-point touch or 20-point touch, but Lonbest electronic blackboard fulfilled the feature of real multi-point writing tools. Here is the Lonbest LCD blackboard. Its differentiation with the whiteboard, chalkboard, like the chemical pollution or dust, like time to erase the writings. Also, the eye-hurting problem, consumables like power consumption and cleanliness, like the board surface, how it look like after long-term use. Here, we check the LCD module process flow diagram. You see here, the upper layer is AG protective film. The second layer is PET film. The third one is ITO layer. ITO is for conductive layer. HC coating layer is for insulating layer. In the middle is liquid crystal layer. Below is hard coating layer. ITO conductive layer. PET film, like the black film layer. Here is the substrate. Like AG film is protective, PET, PET, and liquid crystal. It forms the sandwich structure. Also, the conductive layer connects to the FPC. Insulating layer, when we put the electricity, that electricity or high voltage will not damage the liquid crystal. Two, conductive layer. It fulfilled the for the erasing, it needs the high that voltage. Adhesive film layer is adhesive substrate and the liquid crystal film. Here is the procedure. The first step is when we get the PET film, it will make the ITO sputtering, then make the ITO etching. ITO etching is for the partial erase. The third is for the hard coating. Hard coating. The fourth one is liquid crystal dispensing. The third one, then after liquid crystal dispensing, it form the sandwich structure. Then the fifth is the film material cut. Then make the film material edge sealing. Then FPC bonding. After FPC bonding, it is liquid crystal screen testing. Then LCD module assembly. This is what we did in the dustless laboratory or dustless workshop. AG film. It has the feature of high wear resistance. It is hardened, highly scratch resistant. It can bear 3H hardness. The second is the high light transmittance. Its greenness is not obvious, and the light transmittance is higher than that of ordinary abrasives. So it is for the anti-reflection. It has a 5% to 8% higher stand film. The third is high sensitivity. It is thinner than ordinary matte film, sensitive to touch. So as it has the pressure sensitive, give the writing object give the pressure to LCD film, then the writing exists. It is sensitive to touch. No affect the touch screen effect of realized like such as touch screen effect. The fourth is not easy to leave the fingerprints. So it prevents the dust, oil, etc. and easy to clean. It effectively eliminates strong glare. The fifth is the special optical properties, prevent ultraviolet and infrared penetration. The sixth is the silicon adsorption. No glue residue, durable, easy to stick, easy tear off. It is washable and reusable. PET film, the second layer. It has the excellent performance. Its toughness is the best among all thermoplastics. The tensile strength and impact strength are much higher than ordinary films, and the strength is good. The size is stable. It has excellent heat resistance and cold resistance. It has the good chemical and oil resistance. Its shortage is easy with static electricity. Right now, there's no proper anti-static method. Its only disadvantage. ITO is the abbreviation of indium tin oxides. It has the good character of conductivity and transparency. It can cut off harmful electronic radiation, ultraviolet and far infrared. Cut coating. In case only ITO conductive layer exists, the thickness requirement of liquid crystal layer are strict. However, due to the usage scenery diversity, it is prone to internal short circuit extremely, resulting in product failure. The usage of polymer hard coating material can eliminate this phenomenon and doesn't affect overall experience. Here it's like the this is hard coating. You see in the middle PET, the blue one PET, green one, this green one ITO, hard coating, in the middle liquid crystal film. The black film is a black double-sided film. It is used as the bottom color of liquid crystal. At the same time, black can absorb all visible light. For the monochromatic imaging of liquid crystal handwriting has a very good foil effect. Also, small flaws of substrate surface can also be covered. The substrate may act as a support of writing. The substrate at the bottom. The substrate mainly acts as a support for the writing, similar as a traditional blackboard surface. At present, steel plates can be used on both sides, and the middle high-density foam layer as sandwich structure. This is another sandwich structure. Here is how to realize the partial erase. This is just now is ITO etching. Give it the make it get the electricity. Here I explained like it's liquid crystal module process and the information about the different layers for liquid crystal module. It has 9 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the LCD panel, it uses like polarizing film 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 layer. Here is 9. Some clients only has the writing function now. Why make it so complicated? Liquid crystal in the middle is very sensitive. How to guarantee the lifespan? How to make the students get the good writing experience? How to anti-UV? How to avoid the liquid crystal form of layer? Liquid crystal layer cannot be penetrated by the electricity. All need the protective layer. We spend more than 100 million Chinese yuan on the innovation of this modern blackboard. And we tested like tens of thousands of sets. And also the product need to give the clients like 1 year or 3 years guarantee. It is different from the cheap LCD writing tablet. That one is very cheap. No matter its structure, no matter its frame, no matter its substrate, no matter its technology. It is just you compare a real BMW car and a car model. Wish my explanation can make you understand why Lonbest electronic blackboard is not cheap. Number 1, it's its technology. Number 2, it's its product feature comparison. Number 3, is its structure. This is electronic products. with the market volume bigger, its cost will be cheaper and cheaper. For this one, we need the cooperation of all our clients. We know profit is good, and this product is a big challenge to sell. But for me, I'm thinking we cannot just only consider profit without innovation. We think this product is meaningful based on the eye protection and health protection. And I hope after many years, when we explain our life experience to our children, we can be proud that our work contributes to the transforming of electronic and education technology industry, and also health of our children. Thank you.